I'm just going to give a brief 2-minute demonstration of Biotech Crops Manual's main features. So the information is arranged simply under these 6 tabs. We can browse within each tab to look generally for information. But if we wanted to do a more targeted search, for example to see the commercial traits available in the USA, I'd go to the Crop Country tab and key in the country name. And if I want to focus on a particular crop, I can just add a space and add the crop name. This brings me to a list here of different traits showing different types of resistance and tolerance, and also stacked traits combining several together. So for example, I can click on a stacked trait and see the other crops for which this combination is available and the associated products. If I then select a product, for example, I can check the global approvals, the uses for which it's approved in the different countries, and whether or not it's commercially available. That's the sort of information that's useful to agronomists, but the database is also useful, for example, to food companies and import safety authorities. I can see here, for example, technical details on the genes, what they do, what they produce, and the associated promoters and terminators. This sort of data would be useful for testing samples of food or feed, or to confirm the claims on a label. Notice that all the tabs we've used stay open so that we can easily go back to where we were. And I can reset back to the beginning again. And my time's nearly up. I just wanted to show you quickly that the database is broader than just GMOs. It includes crops developed using other advanced breeding techniques, such as the Clearfield family of products, and these new techniques will all be included in the expanding database as they're developed. That's my time up, but there's a lot more to see, so I hope you'll carry on exploring this database, and you can find it at bcpcdata.com.